everyone, welcome back to BioSchool. This is Gayatri. My last video it was on the population age structure and age pyramid. Today I am with another topic of population ecology, that is survivorship curve. We know the survivorship curve it plots the proportion of individuals alive in each age group. In this video I am going to explain you about survivorship curve, types of survivorship curves with examples in a simpler way, and we will also see what type of questions are asked from survivorship curve in CSIR NET exam. So please be stay tuned. Hey everyone, today I am with another topic of population ecology, that is survivorship curves. Did you watch my last video that was on population age structure and age pyramid? If you have missed it, you will find the link in my description box. Please do watch. What is survivorship curve? Survivorship curve is a graphical representation of number of individuals of various ages alive in a population. It shows the fraction of population survived from one age to the next. If we plot survivorship curve, then the y-axis that represents the number of individuals of the population, whereas x-axis represents the age. Now, what are the types of survivorship curves? The types of survivorship curves are type 1, type 2 and type 3 survivorship curves. Different species have different shaped survivorship curves. Let's see each survivorship curve one by one with their characteristics and examples. The first one is type 1 survivorship curves. This type of curve, individuals have high probability of surviving early and middle life but have rapid decline in late life. Okay, and it forms convex curve on a graph. Here you can see the blue one, it represents the type 1 survivorship curve, where the individuals have high mortality rate at late life, okay, and it forms the convex curve. This type of curve is shown by mostly the human and primates. The species of type 1 survivorship curves are Heteroparous. Heteroparous, it is derived from the Latin word. So the organism that breeds several times during the course of their lifespan is known as the Heteroparous. And the Heteroparous species with type 1 curves usually have small numbers of offspring, and they provide lot of parental care to make sure those offsprings survive. Now comes to type 2 survivorship curves. Type 2 survivorship curve shows a roughly constant mortality rate for the species. That means the chance of survival is independent of their age. Okay, that chance of survival or the chance of dying is independent of the age. And type 2 survivorship curve, it forms the diagonal curves. Okay, here you can see show the diagonal curves, and this type of curve observed in many birds, mice, rabbit, small mammals, turtles, lizards and butterflies. Mostly you will get questions like this, like what shows which type of survivorship curves. So you have to memorize or remember the examples of each type of survivorship curves. And if you remember the characteristics of a particular survivorship curve, then you can easily guess the animal that belongs to which survivorship curve. Okay, an organism of this type of survivorship curve have relatively few offsprings, and they show very low parental care as compared to type 1 survivorship curves. So let's see type 3 survivorship curves. Type 3 survivorship curves depict the greatest mortality rate of the individuals in early life. Okay, here the mortality rate is higher in early life and it forms the concave curve on a graph. Okay, this green one, it represents the type 3 survivorship curve and it forms a concave curve. Type 3 survivorship curve is observed in trees, frog, oysters, marine invertebrates and fishes. These organisms are seminiparous. Seminiparous means they breed once during their lifetime. Okay, so the organism that belongs to type 3 survivorship curves are seminiparous, means they breed only once during their lifespan and they have lot of offsprings and they don't have any parental care. Now we'll see the previous year CSIR NET question. This question, following the diagram of 3 idealized survivorship curves of animals, find the correct match between the group of animals and the representative and the respective survivorship curves. Let's see. Okay, so this is the survivorship curve. In the x-axis it represents the age, whereas the y-axis it represents the survivorship. So the option A, marine pelagic fish and large mammals, they show the type 3 and type 1 survivorship curve respectively. Okay, so the pelagic fish, they show the type 3 survivorship curve, whereas the large mammals, they show the type 1 survivorship curve. This option is correct. Let's see other options. Marine pelagic fish and large mammals has 1 and 2 respectively. No, it's wrong. Some birds and large mammals has 1 and 3 type of survivorship curves. Birds, they show the type 2 survivorship curves, whereas the mammals, they show the type 1. So this one is also wrong. Let's see option D. Option D, marine pelagic fish and some birds have 1 and 3 survivorship curve respectively. No, the marine pelagic fish has type 3 survivorship curve, whereas the some birds has type 2 survivorship curves. So this one is also wrong. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A. Hope this video is useful to you and it helps you in your examination. If you like this video, then please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to share it with your seniors, juniors and with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in my next video.